Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, you'll learn how to set up a VPN in Windows 11. It's a very easy and simple process, and you can add a VPN by yourself on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. If you already have the VPN information and the details from your VPN provider and just want to add or set up the VPN, this guide will help you. To start, search for Settings and click on it. You can also right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Once Settings opens, go to the left-hand side and click on Network and Internet. Here, you'll find VPN as one of the options. Click on it to add, connect, or manage your VPN. Now, in the top right corner, click on Add VPN. Here, you just need to enter the VPN provider details, such as the connection name, server name, VPN type, and your username and password. That's it. This is how you can easily set up a VPN connection on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. If you found this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.